Is your iPhone screen completely unresponsive, cracked, frozen, or black, and now you're wondering how to turn it off? The good news is that you can still shut down your iPhone even if its touchscreen isn't working. In this guide, I will show you the easy method that works on modern iPhones and older devices. Let's get started. First of all, press and release the volume up button, then volume down button, and then press and hold the side button. You might see the power off screen on the display. Ignore it and keep holding the side button until your device's screen goes off. As soon as iPhone's screen goes off, press the volume up button and the side buttons together. Keep them pressed even when you see the Apple logo on the screen. After some time, the screen will go black, which indicates your iPhone is now turned off. Now to turn the device back on, simply press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo and let go of the side button as soon as the Apple logo shows up. That's it. This is how you can easily turn off your iPhone without using the screen and just using hardware buttons. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and visit iOS Hacker for more iPhone tips, fixes and troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching.